In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export time tracking data in ClickUp. Managing your time effectively is crucial for staying on top of tasks and projects. ClickUp is a powerful productivity platform that offers a built-in time tracking feature to help you keep track of your work. Whether you're preparing an overview for your team, analyzing your productivity, or meeting compliance requirements, being able to export your time tracking data is an essential skill. In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step through the process of exporting your time tracking data in ClickUp. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to www.clickup.com. Once the site has loaded, sign into your ClickUp account using either your email and password or a connected social login. If you don't already have a ClickUp account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. After successfully signing in, make sure you're logged into the correct workspace where your time tracking entries are stored. You can check this by looking at the workspace name displayed in the top left corner of the homepage. If you're part of multiple workspaces, double-check that you're accessing the one with the data you need. Next, locate your profile avatar or your name in the top right corner of the screen. Once you see it, click on it to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, look for the option labeled Track Time and click on it. This will take you to the time tracking section of ClickUp. Within the time tracking area, switch to the dashboard view. This is where you'll find all the tools and widgets related to time tracking. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the timesheet card or widget. It might be labeled as a time entry summary or something similar, so take a moment to scan the dashboard carefully. When you've located the timesheet card, hover your cursor over it. As you do this, you'll notice a three-dot menu appear in one of the corners of the card. Click on these three dots to open up additional actions. From the menu that appears, select the Export option. At this point, you may be prompted to adjust some export details, such as the file format or the scope of the data you want to export. Take a moment to customize these settings if needed, ensuring the data matches your requirements. Once you finalize the export settings, confirm the export. The system will process your request and generate the file. Depending on the size of the data, this might take a few moments. After processing, the file will automatically download to your computer's default downloads folder. Now that your file is ready, handle it carefully according to your organization's privacy and compliance guidelines. If your company has specific rules for storing or sharing data, make sure to follow them to maintain security and confidentiality. Finally, if for any reason you don't see the track time option, the dashboard, or the timesheet card, it's a good idea to reach out to your account administrator for assistance. They may need to adjust your permissions or settings to give you access to these features. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to export time tracking data in ClickUp. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.